home court advantage, checking the equity. Own every square footage, look at the recipes. I'm the broker and the bidder, zoning out the noise. Real estate of mine, I'm making championship choices. Subdividing lanes, I got the deed in my palm. Storm inside the gym, but I'm keeping the calm. Apprails on the rim, yeah, the value just soared. Home court real estate, I own the hardwood floor. Own it. The realest home court, like home court real estate. Selling out the vision, yeah, we moving the way. Home court real estate, the deed on the court. This is more than a game, it's a financial report. The realest home court, yeah, the price just went up. Drink from the trophy like a gold-plated cup. Zoning regulations, yeah, I blocked every lane. Transfer title, I'm the king of domain. Mortgage on the win, and I paid it in full. Dominance is